Hey gorgeous ladies, how are you all? Hope you all are doing well. Today's tutorial is very quick hair spa routine which you can do it at home and it's super affordable and very good for your hair. So let's get started. For that you need some hair oil of your choice. Here I have used my own recipe homemade oil which helps to reduce hair fall. If you need the remedy, I attach that link down below in description box. This oil gives your hair a strength, shine and hair growth. This home remedy oil helps to reduce heavy hair fall. It's tried and tested remedy. I have parted her hair in 3 zones so it's easy to apply hair oil on her hair. I have warmed up my hair oil and applying it with cotton ball. I insist to use this hair oil in daily basis and don't forget to give me a comment after using it. I am making small partitions and applying on the scalps. Make sure you are applying up to the end because sometimes you are having a split ends. I begin by applying light to medium pressure on her head with my fingertips and moving my finger into the scalp in small circular motion. Massage for minimum 5 minutes. Make sure you cover entire head. Pressing all the points which makes your mind feel relaxed. Head massage helps relieve stress and reduce tension. It improves your blood circulation to your head and neck. Even promotes hair growth. I am pressing some of the points with my fingertips. Make sure you are using normal pressure, not too hard, not too soft. Keep it for 30 minutes. What I normally do, I apply in the morning and finishing my house chores. After keeping it for 30 minutes, I am washing my hair with L'Oreal Botanical shampoo. This is my all-time favorite shampoo, which is silicone, sulfate and paraben free. It has reinforcing preparation. I washed it twice. Make sure there is no oil left in the scalp. Shampooing your hair on a regular basis will remove both the dirt and a grime built up in your hair, but also helps to keep your natural oil. Towel dry your hair for the next step. Using L'Oreal Botanicals conditioning balm to my hair. Taking some on my palm and rubbing it and applying it to her hair. There are 3 types of conditioners: traditional, leave-in and deep conditioning. We are going to use all of them today in this video. Right now we are using traditional conditioner, which repairs the damage done by general wear and tear on daily basis. I am keeping it for 1 minute. Rinse it thoroughly with lukewarm water. Here I attach benefits why to use lukewarm water while doing shampoo. Again, towel dry your hair. This is another family member of L'Oreal Botanical Everyday Hair Care range. Take a small amount of hair mask on your palm, rub it off and apply on your hair. Make sure you are applying it evenly all over your hair. Giving you one tip: the shampoo is for both to clean scalp and hair, but conditioner you can apply it only on hair and ends, not in scalp. Applying conditioner in scalp can block the follicle and slow down hair growth or increase oil production. Using shampoo comb, I am distributing hair mask evenly on hair which will help hair follicles to repair. This is called deep conditioning. Take a small napkin, wet it properly under the water and tumble dry with your hand. Put it into microwave for 5 minutes or until it steam up. Take it out from microwave and cover the whole head with towel. Make sure you don't burn yourself. I use shower cap for long effect and steam can stay for long time. Hair steaming is beneficial as the heat aids in hydrating dry hair. The moist heat also encourages blood flow to circulate and promoting hair growth. I kept it for 30 minutes and rinse it off. Look at the hair, how flawless. Again, towel dry your hair and apply leave-in conditioner. Here I am using L'Oreal Series Expert 10-in-1 formula. Spray it all over your hair. Leave-in conditioner, you don't need to wash it off. Comb it towards ends. Avoid getting it near to your scalp or roots. Leave-in conditioner helps to avoid hair getting tangled. Let it dry out naturally. Don't use any hot tools. You can see flawless hair. Look at. So this is the final result. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it now. See you all next Friday.